Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook we are making chocolate chip muffins because I have a few of you guys who have been leaving comments saying, Monique, where's the chocolate chip muffins? You said you were gonna do them. So hopefully these will be well worth the wait. They are so good, you guys. Oh my god, fluffy, just all that. All right, let's go. Alright, first thing we're going to do is add our all-purpose flour into a large bowl. Then we're going to add in my baking powder and my salt, dump that in. We're going to whisk this around, whisk it really, really well. Make sure everything is combined because we don't want to have those little pockets of baking powder and salt. Make sure you whisk it. Okay, let's move on to our wet ingredients. I'm going to add my oil. We're using oil instead of butter because oil keeps it so moist and fluffy. I'm going to add my sugar in there. I'm going to stir this on up just like that. This was fun. I like this part. I don't know why, but I like to stir in sugar and oil. Okay, there's my egg going in. All of my ingredients are room temperature. Now, I am not even going to use my mixer, so I'm like mixing like crazy because I'm like, I don't want to break out my stand mixer, you know, or my hand mixer. So yeah, all by hand. All right, now I have my sour cream going in, dump them on in, and then just stir it on up just like that. And once all that sour cream, you can also use cream cheese. I use cream cheese in my blueberry muffins, but yeah, this one's sour cream, perfect. Now we're gonna add in some vanilla extract. Go ahead and mix that up. This is like a very easy recipe. Let me tell you something. Normally, I don't even like chocolate chips and stuff besides cookies. Like, I don't like chocolate chip pancakes, chocolate chip bread. I don't like that. But something about these muffins, yeah, I like them. It works. Okay, so now I'm just mixing in my dry ingredients into my wet ingredients, and I'm gonna alternate it with my favorite liquid in the whole world, some buttermilk. All right, the buttermilk's going in. All right, that looks great. Okay, now you don't want to over stir, all right, with muffins and quick breads. You want to just stir it up just until that flour is dissolved and then stop it, all right? Stop. Now I'm going to add in my mini chocolate chips because mini chocolate chips are like the perfect thing for muffins and stuff. And now we are done with this batter. If you want to add in something like, you know, nuts or whatever, you can do it at this point, but no thank you, sister. I'll pass. All right, so now we're just going to line my little cupcake tray here. Now let me tell you something, this batter likes to stick to the liners a little bit, so if you don't want them to stick at all, you might want to spray the liners with some non-stick cooking spray, but you know, they don't stick too bad, but a few of them did kind of stick, you know. Alright, so now I'm just going to place my little batter into my prepared pan, just like that. I think I used like a little under a 1/4 cup, and it was like perfect amount to make 12 muffins. Perfect amount. Alright, I'm going to kind of shake these around and get them all even, and then I'm going to sprinkle some more chocolate chips on top just to make it look kind of pretty, real pretty when it bakes up and stuff. So yeah, but that is definitely optional. Okay, so now that we have our little chocolate chips on top, I have my oven preheated to 375. I'm going to bake these muffins for about 18 to 20 minutes. Do not overbake them because oh my voice, goodness. Do not overbake them. Why was it so deep? Do not overbake them because they'll be dry and we don't want that, okay? Alright, so once they have cooled off, I'm going to go ahead and place them on my cooling rack to finish cooling off completely. Alright, I let them sit in the pan for like 2 minutes, and then I put them on a cooling rack to finish cooling off completely. And then here are our chocolate chip muffins, but let's get into the inside, okay? That's all that matters, the inside, that fluffiness, the moistness, the look at that. Yes, Father God in heaven. These muffins are the bomb. Go make them. You probably have everything in your kitchen already, okay? You can use regular size chocolate chips. It don't matter. Just go bless yourself, honey. You deserve it. All right, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you will know when I post new videos, all right? Later.